Here is how to delete all Instagram posts at once. So let us do that. Open your Instagram, click on this little profile icon. Now, here you need to delete all your posts, whether you need to keep them or you need to delete them. If you want to delete all at once, it is go for the post, click on top three dots, scroll down, you can find delete. If you click on delete, it can be deleted. So if it is post on Facebook or other apps that are linked to Instagram, you can delete everywhere or you can delete from Instagram only. This is the way that you can delete post from Instagram. Instagram doesn't have access to delete all posts at once because that is a security issue. So that you need to go to post and delete, and you need to do for that every post that you need to get deleted. So likewise, you can delete posts. There is no opportunity or there is no chance of deleting all posts at once. Thank you.